Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own rice water for acne-free, brighter, smoother, younger looking skin. First, let's talk about why rice is so beneficial for the skin. Rice water is full of minerals and amino acids that are essential for the skin, including ferulic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant that contains anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to being one of the most gentle skin cleansing agents, rice water contains vitamin B1, C and E, which together can shrink pores, tighten, brighten and soften skin. As long as it's left on the skin, rice water can even offer slight protection from the sun. So let's get on to how you can make your own rice water. You will need a bowl or pot, depending on how much you want to make. I make a lot because I also use the rice water to wash my face. A measuring jug and water. A container to store your rice water. I'm just using an old coffee jar. This can hold up to 1 litre. And half a cup of rice. You can use any rice. Different rice have different benefits. I'm just using white rice because it's what I have at home. So the first thing you want to do is wash your rice. This is very important because you want to get rid of any dirt, bacteria and pesticides. I like to wash my rice at least 3 times. You'll notice that the water turns milky. This is not our rice water. This is what we want to get rid of. After you've washed the rice, now you can add in the water that we're going to let the rice sit in. Once I've added all of the water, I like to let it sit for at least 30 minutes and then you can just start using the rice water straight from there. This rice water will last you about 5 days in the fridge before it starts to go bad. When using the rice water, you want to first make sure that you have a clean face. First way I like to use this is as a toner. All I do is dip my cotton pad into the rice water, squeeze out the excess and then just directly apply this to my face. The second way I like to use my rice water, and my favourite way, is with these compressed sheet masks. These are really cool because all you have to do is put a bit of water on them and they'll open up into a sheet mask. Once I've opened it up, I fold it and put it straight into the rice water. I let this sit for about 15 minutes so it can absorb everything really well. When you take it out, don't squeeze out the excess. You want it to be dripping wet, otherwise the mask will dry up fast and won't stick properly to your face. I had to squeeze it out because I usually do this over a sink and I didn't want to get it all over the floor. You'll notice in the clip that it didn't quite stick properly to my face. I let the mask sit for about 10 minutes. And then I just peel it off and I fold up the mask and wipe the excess on my skin. And then I just pat everything else into my skin, but you can wash it off if you want. After using rice water on your skin for a while, you'll notice that your skin is softer, firmer and smoother than it was before. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.